This video will show how to connect your smart iSense radiator to the dedicated app. First, you need to create an account and password and then log in. Once you are logged into your account, you can access the menu and follow the tutorial, which will guide you through the process of connecting your radiators to the MySense app. On the radiator's display, choose the preferred language and select your user profile, making sure that you select the correct one, since each profile has predefined settings that are specific to the type of dwelling. Connect your device to the network and log on to the app on your mobile device. Click on Add a device, making sure the 3 prerequisites are on. Then, press Next. Go on to the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device and select the radiator's Wi-Fi, EV30. Return to the app and press the Next button. Select the room your device is located, and give it a name. Press Next, select your property's Wi-Fi network, enter your router Wi-Fi password, and press Next. The pairing process is now in progress. Wait until the connection is successful by showing connected on the app. You are now connected. However, return to the radiator's display, and wait until the message connected to the Wi-Fi appears on the display. Once successfully connected to the Wi-Fi, you can start setting up your device by selecting the date and time. Then, you can set the comfort and eco temperature. Set up your own schedule, or choose one of the preset programs. And don't forget to select Yes to the energy efficient features, as you continue with the setting of your devices. If you change your router or network, or change your password, you must follow the same procedure again, across all your devices, to be able to reconnect them to your network.